So what's up, kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Naghahanap ka ba ng motor ni Batman? Baka ito Benda LFC 700 ang hinahanap mo. So tara, alamin natin ang specification at presyo nito. Magkano nga ba at kung sulit nga ba? Tara, samahan nyo ako. Wakaran na natin. Let's go!
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it.
Nung unang nakita ko tong motor na to, ang sabi ko, motor to ni Batman. Pero hindi pala ako nagkamali. Mukhang motor nga to ni Batman dahil dun siya inspired based dun sa ating na-research. At yun na nga, alamin natin ang specification na ito. Para sa kanyang engine, ito ay naka L-type 4-cylinder na may 16 bulbs, water-cooled or liquid-cooled, naka dual overhead cam and sleeper clutch. At para naman sa kanyang displacement, meron itong 676cc na may maximum power na 77 horsepower at 10,050 RPM. Ang maximum torque, 60 Nm at 8,000 RPM. Ang compression ratio ay 11.4:1. Ang bore and stroke, 67 by 48 mm. At para naman sa kanyang front suspension, ito ay naka-inverted forks, naka-dual disc brake na may ABS. Ang tires naman nito ay 130/70 by 19, naka-tubeless na rin. Ang rear suspension naman ay naka-monoshock at naka-disc brake na rin at meron din tayo ritong ABS. Ang laki ng tires na ito, 310 by 35 by 18, naka-tubeless na rin. Sa kanyang dimension, ang overall nito ay 2,440 by 880 by 1,100 mm. So wheelbase, 1,720 mm. Seat height, 695 mm. Ground clearance, 160 mm. Medyo mabigat din ang isang to. Ang curb weight nito ay 287 kg. 17 liters na rin ang kanyang fuel tank capacity. Isa sa mga gusto kong marinig dito, yung inline 4-cylinder nito. Ano kaya yung sound check na ito? Gusto kong malaman din eh. At kagandahan, ito ay naka TFT display panel na rin. Naka Brembo disc brake na ang isang to with Bluetooth connectivity. At kagandahan dito, yung suspension. Sa front naman ay naka KYB adjustable shock absorber. Samantalang sa rear, naka dual chamber air suspension shock absorber. Ayos, diba? Ito nga pala ay High Power Edition Unique Sport Cruiser. Itsura pa lang talaga. Talagang motor na ni Batman eh. Mapapalingon ka talaga pag ito nakakasalubong mo at nakasabay mo. Parang gusto mo na rin sumakay dito sa motor na to. At pwede ka na rin pala ritong mag-angkas. Kita naman natin. Pero ano kayang pakiramdam ng nakaangkas dito or ikaw yung nagmamaneho? Tatingin nyo. At para naman sa mga nagtatanong magkano nga ba ang cash nito, ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 629,000. So sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba ang presyo nito ngayong 2025? May motor ka na ni Batman. At para naman sa mga gustong bumili ng ganitong motorcycle, pwede kayo mag-PM sa akin para at least ma-assist ko kayo sa mga gusto at willing na bumili ng ganitong motorcycle. So ayun, yun lang naman. Sana nakatulong tong video na to sa mga naghahanap ng 700cc na mga motorcycle kagaya nitong poging-pogi na motorcycle na to. At syempre, pogi din yung nakasakay. Ayun o. So yun na nga, kita-kita na lang ulit tayo sa mga susunod nating upload. I'm Mark D. Ciao. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Babush. Haha.
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything you start. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. Better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown. In my prime right now, hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others find they feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the